Hello buddy, it's Garten TikTok here. Today we are playing Garten of Banban, first chapter. It gives me Poppy Playtime vibes because I tried to play Poppy Playtime, but it's too long. But remember to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. And comment below what my intro should be, because I need an intro, so let's get into it. I might be speeding it up because this is my second try of trying to do it. But I haven't, yeah, but it's my second try. Oh, first one, I kind of was at the main menu whenever my mom called me up, but come on, let's go. Okay, so, yeah. Easy game control. Thank you. And now I'll be leaving. Okay. Don't touch me. Okay. Okay. Don't judge me. So, requires 2 batteries. What did this guy say? Eat vegetables and fruits to become strong like me. No. I'm not a strict diet of ice cream, pizza, and bagel bites. And plus, look, he's fat. He's not strong. If you eat vegetables, you'll become fat. Oh, having many arms allow me to help a lot of people. I wish I had more arms. Okay. Oh, we got Dawn. I'm gonna name him David. Okay, now David, go up there. Slam your face into that button. Yeah, wait. Open up, please. Open up. What's down there? Okay, so I guess I have to press it. Yay. Attack! David! What is that thing? Attack it! You're stupid. Hello? Hello, your computer have ears? Come here. No. Ooh, maybe I'll find him. But this really gives me Poppy Playtime vibes. Okay, so a pillow bird. Hello, a pillow bird. Let's give him a short name. Idiot. Okay. Idiot mission. Idiot is unbelievably hungry. Feed it 6 eggs to get your prize. Okay. Oh. Egg. Close. Ball pit closed. Bro, no, that doesn't look like a ball pit. That looks like a fall would send you right into heck. Yeah, heck. Almost just said H-E double hockey sticks. Okay, so find more eggs. Egg. These eggs are delicious. We always put safe them. Ooh, this is what I always love doing. Walking up the slides. I missed you. Okay, what did this do? What did this button do? Oh, it's red. Press it button. It's a button. David, come on, be useful. Okay. Hello. Okay, is that all of it? Oh, egg. Egg. Don't judge me. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm so failed. Ooh, he got. Thank you. Come on, David. David. Okay, so I put that. So, naughty corner. Okay, David, do it. Gonna get sued by the place. But, I don't care. David, press it. Be useful. Yay. What does that matter? Oh! There's a hammer. Everybody loves hammers. I especially like eating them. They're very tasty. Does that mean we get to crack this guy open? David. Hello, David? David. He's an idiot. He's not coming. Okay. Oh. Great. That blood. Bloody handprints. Press. Oh my god. They said ball pit closed. This is a death pit. Death pit closed. Woohoo. Okay, what's my code? Press it. Press that, press it. Press that. That's right. Okay, so this guy was red, this guy was, white. I think. Wait, it was a girl. Okay. This guy was green. This guy was pink. Why? Oh, wishy-washy. Okay. Guy with purple. I remembered. Blood across him. And this guy was orange, I think. So we just have to keep on pressing it till we get up. Ooh. Okay, what? I need to run. Come on, come on. Oh my heart was actually going. Okay, so I guess he's dead. Huh. Good thing I pressed this. Okay, that guy's dead now. That actually almost gave me a heart attack. But I did it first try somehow. But I got, ooh, this is what, ooga booga, ooga booga. I mean, ooga booga, booga ooga. I agree with that. That's my favorite character. Okay, so what are we supposed to do here? I'm the business owner now. Ooh, wait. Ooh. I forgot David. Oh my god. Nobody likes David. Nothing. Okay, press the button. Press it. Okay, now. David. Stay here. Oh, what's this? That one close the door, close the door. David. Go down. David, sorry, but I'm gonna have to say goodbye. Well, you could come down with me, but it's probably gonna be hard, so you're gonna have to stay up here. Come down whenever. Follow me, okay? I'll press the button for you to come down, and yeah. Bye, David. Remember me. That's broken, but remember me, David. David, goodbye. Okay. Good light. Huh? What was that? What was that? Oh my god! It's green from Rainbow Friend! Oh no! I'm sorry for calling you fat. I'm sorry! Okay, so looks like I'm dead. I heard the thump up. Really? Well, I guess we won. Cause chapter 2 is an hour number 2, but I hope you guys liked it, and remember, like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and yeah, I'll see. And comment below what my intro and outro is gonna be, because I still don't know. And if this gets to 100 likes before chapter 3 of Poppy Playtime comes out, I will do a face reveal. Yeah, face reveal. So go and share this to all your friends and say, subscribe or I'll stab you. And yeah. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.